everyone. Welcome to Enjay's Play Space. As you can see, I have 10 characters of Mario Kart, and I have 4 mystery ones. So we're gonna play with them today in a racer Hotwheels style. Stay tuned. Boxes. Let's do that one. No, that one. No, that one. Oh, man. My mom bought these, by the way, if you don't know. Let's start with this one. It is Daisy. I completely forgot about Daisy. So, you can see the characters you could get right here. Now, this has Hot Wheel on the top, I should say. Now, oh no, this thing is gonna be hard. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, more trash. Blech. That. Okay, a little more. Guys, this is what we unlocked. Daisy. Look at those wings, like Mario. Let's add her to the collection. I never had Daisy before. The next one should be, this one. What? Oh, it's Koopa Troopa. All right, here he is. Let's unbox him. Oh, 2 rims and Koopa Troopa is out. Let me show you. And his glider has a 1-up. How cool is that? Which one? Let's do this one. This one's big for some reason. Oh, look, it's Bowser Jr. I don't know why this is big and it's packaged in a so big package. Guys, here's Bowser Jr. I don't know why he has to be so big. All right. Oh, it's because of his glider. Look at that. Whoa! Look at his glider. It's Bowser. So, you might all know who it could be. The last one is... oh, Bowser itself. It makes sense because that has a Bowser glider. Let's get him. At least he's not so big. Whoa. Yeah. All right, that part's done. Let me try to get a hole in. We have Bowser here, but I'm gonna call him Bowser Jr. because it looks like Bowser Jr. grew up. So it looks like we have this mini cartwheel place, and I have this racer thing to cause them to race right now. Let's get into it. All right. So we have 2 teams split. We have Team Bowser. So first, of course, is Bowser, his son, Bowser Jr., Koopa Troopa, Shy Guy, Wario, and Diddy Kong. And on Mario's team, we have Mario himself, his brother Luigi, his Princess Peach, Toad, Princess Peach's advisor, Daisy, Princess Peach's sister, Rosalina, Daisy and Princess Peach's sister, and DK. Alright guys, I went and got my phone so I can really time it here. I got my phone here, and whoever gets the lower score wins. Who will be better, Mario or Bowser? Whoever wins will be good, and the other will be bad. 3, 2, 1, start the timer! Okay, Bowser got 4.53 seconds. Beat that, Mario. Alright guys, now I got Mario. Will Mario beat Bowser, or will Bowser have the last lap and take over Mario's family? 3, 1, start the timer. Oh! 4.65 Oh no. Guys, sadly, looks like Bowser wins. He got 4.50 seconds through 65. Next two people. Alright, so Mario lost to Bowser. But this time, Luigi is going to avenge Mario by going against Koopa Troopa. Go, Luigi. Go. Alright, Koopa Troopa, you're on. Oh no, he got 447. Beats that, Luigi. Alright, so Luigi, you got this. You're our hero. 3, 2, 1. Go, Luigi, go, 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 go. Oh my goodness, he got 3.90. That is way off against Koopa Troopas. Alright, so it looks like our winner is Luigi. Next. Alright, so we already did Mario, Bowser, and Luigi, and Koopa Troopa, but I think Peach should be fighting Wario for being kidnapped so many times. Here we go. I got my trusty timer over here with my phone. Alright, so it's Peach against Wario. So first, since Wario's been doing a lot of things, let's start with him. 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, there we go. Whoa, Wario got 3.98 seconds. Beat that, Princess Peach. All right, Princess Peach is ready to avenge. Oops, sorry, I had to stop that. Come on, pause. So let's do that again. Here we go. Oh, there she goes. Oh, she got 3.72, so that means she beats Wario. All right, so the winner is Peach. She finally got it for being kidnapped so much. So it's gonna be Toad against Diddy Kong. Let's do Diddy Kong first. He's on, and he's angry. He's ready. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is slow. He got 4.70 because he was so slow. So Diddy Kong did not do so well. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, he got 3.95. So the winner is Toad. All right, we have Shy Guy against Daisy, Princess Daisy. I'm ready, guys. Here we go. He got 3.91. That's good. Beat this, Daisy. Here we go. Daisy is on there. She got kidnapped a few times too, so she wants to be freed. She got 4.30. So the winner goes to Shy Guy. So Team Bowser got the second point. We have Bowser's son, Bowser Jr., against Rosalina. All right, here we go. I don't think he's gonna get anywhere. Here we go. Oops, he got 2.18. No, you are out, man. All right, so Rosalina's gonna do much better here. Here we go. She got 4.77, man. So that means she wins. The winner goes to Rosalina, right here. All right, so this is the final announcement of the final ranking. So Team Bowser just got 3 points. And Team Mario got 5 points. So the winner
of the ultimate round is Team Mario! Yay! Yay! That settles all Mario and Bowser fights forever. So Bowser will never, or his minions will never go for Daisy, Rosalina, or Peach ever again. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please click the like and please subscribe. Bye!